Does it look alright? Or does it look silly?
I think it looks great. I think you're speaking your truth, and that's all it is, really.
That's it. I'm just a noble savage lost in the big city.
Now, would you train white people?
I train anybody. I have trained with all the colors of the rainbow. I've trained, like I said, women, children, people of different gender. It's just people. When you stop looking at race, you stop looking at gender, you stop looking at all that stuff and just see people's spirits. I'll train with anyone who wants to train in a good way. I'm not a fighter, so I don't want to work with people who are going to get all like rambunctious and possibly violent and whatnot. I'm not interested in that. That's not my path. I want to be able to prevent injury. So I train with anyone who wants to train, as long as they're coming from a good place. I don't compete. I don't do this comparing myself to others or whatnot. Kind of a Taoist ideal is, if I don't compete with anyone, no one can compete with me. And if I don't compare myself to anyone, no one can compare to me. So by simply just taking a humble path, and I like to work with people who handle themselves in that humble but strong way. It's like a quiet power. I find that the kind of people that are easiest to work with. So I tend to shy away from kind of boisterous people and stuff like that, and kind of go more towards that quiet power. I find really, I respect it a lot. So yeah, it's not a race thing for me. It's really a person thing. It doesn't matter what color you are. You could be a good person or a bad person. And if you're a bad person, I'm gonna most likely put up my guards and protect myself. But if you are coming from a loving place, I'm gonna feel that and feel drawn to you. You're gonna feel drawn to me. We're gonna want to work together and find ways to work together. So that's all it is. And yeah.
Right. Yeah.